Hello students. Today we are going to study a very important topic of reasoning, coding and decoding. If you understand the concepts properly, you can solve these questions very quickly and score easy marks. Coding means converting a word, letter or number into another form using a specific rule. Decoding means finding the original word by reversing that same rule. So in simple words, coding is transformation and decoding is reverse transformation. Your main task is always to identify the hidden pattern correctly. To solve coding questions easily, always follow a fixed strategy. First, identify the type of coding used in the question. Second, find the exact rule by comparing letters or numbers. Third, apply the same rule to the new word. And finally, always verify your answer to avoid mistakes. Alphabet positions are the backbone of coding and decoding. You must remember that A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and so on up to Z, which is 26. Also remember mirror pairs like A and Z, B and Y because they are frequently used in questions. In letter shift coding, each letter moves forward or backward by a fixed number. For example, in +1 shift, A becomes B, B becomes C, and so on. Sometimes backward shift is used where A becomes Z. Always check the difference between original and coded letters to find the shift. In mirror coding, each letter is replaced by its opposite letter in the alphabet. For example, A becomes Z, B becomes Y, and C becomes X. The sum of positions of both letters is always 27. This is a very common and easy type once you recognize it. In word substitution coding, one word is replaced by another word. The important rule here is never give the real answer. Always give the coded word for that answer. These questions are simple but tricky because they test your understanding. In number coding, letters are converted into numbers or sometimes symbols. It can be direct position like A equals 1 or reverse position like A equals 26. Sometimes multiplication or addition is used. So always identify the pattern carefully before solving. In reversal coding, the word is written in reverse order. For example, cat becomes tack and dog becomes God. Sometimes reversal is combined with shifting, so you need to check both steps carefully. Always compare the original and coded word properly. In conditional coding, different rules are applied based on conditions. For example, vowels may follow one rule and consonants another. Or letters at odd positions may follow a different rule than even positions. This type requires careful observation and step-by-step checking. In matrix coding, a table is given with rows and columns. Each letter has a fixed position in that table. The code is written using row number and column number, so you need to locate each letter correctly inside the matrix. In sentence coding, multiple sentences are given in coded form. You have to compare them and find common words. Then match those common words with common codes. This method helps you decode the entire sentence step by step. In sentence coding, multiple sentences are given in coded form. You have to compare them and find common words. Then match those common words with common codes. This method helps you decode the entire sentence step by step. Jai Hind.